Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF Friday, folks. Let's make it a great weekend. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. To begin a great relationship, know what you want. Know what the needs of your body are, what the needs of your mind are, and what fits well with you. There are millions of men and women, and some of them will make a good match for you and others won't. The two of you only to be like a what? Like a key in a lock. A match that fits. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 65, NASDAQ down 7, S&Ps are up 2. Gold contract up $1.50, trading at $1,642 an ounce. Silver down 12 cents at $31.65 an ounce. Platinum $1,580. Copper up 6 pennies at $3.68 a pound. Light sweet crude up 78 cents, trading out at $103.05 a barrel. Bonds down 3 ticks at $142.04. Now, what bonds are doing, folks, is this: bonds are absolutely refusing to back down. They want to go after the 144 number. This is the 30-year. You take out the 144 with volume, folks, you get a monster ABC up to the 160 mark. And that would be saying rates are going down dramatically. King dollar down 41 ticks out here at 79.29. Euro is up 77 at 132. And the yen is flat at 81.52. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? Can you say ABC down, folks? It's in spades, too. This is what you have. Your A point on this is 1422. Your B point is the 1357. We had come down the 10th bottom line. Market can't get any traction. We did 920 million today versus 822. The B point, by the way, is 970 million. You'll see this will start slamming down next week into that B point. We'll see whether it's not going to be hard to get 970 million. That's the bottom line in the NYSE and the S&P. Dow Industrials. We go take a look at the Dow. Same setup in the Dow. What you have with the Dow is this. Dow is up $65 today. You know, it just can't handle it. Dow wants to run into this 12,710 area. Now, NASDAQ Composite. What we have with the composite is going after the composite right now, folks, is at 3,000.445. We did 1.9 billion out here today versus the 1.99 billion at the swing point. And the swing point on the NASDAQ Composite, folks, is only 13 points away. I suspect we're going to go after that more than likely Monday morning. The reason being is that when we talk about ABC structures down, well, you know what, folks? The biggest equity in the marketplace did it today. Broke the B point, broke it with volume. We're talking about Apple. Apple gets down to 570, does 36 million shares versus the 36 million. What you have with Apple is that you get a price projection of 547. I suspect that's actually going to come down to about 526. The 547 is a one-to-one structure on the way down. What's sticking out like a sore thumb is the 526.29. Now, Altera, ALTR. You want to see another ABC down? This one is vicious, folks. Altera come down about 9% today. Monster volume. You had volume 16 million shares. Broke a B point. Broke the 36.16 with juice. Now, Altera is a big heads up, and this is why. It's possible that Altera is actually a much larger ABC structure on the way down. Altera went nonstop. When we go back to 2010, in May of 2010, you were trading at $21. Go straight up to $49. That was April of 2011. Okay, so check it out. A year later, what has happened? It's been downtrending for a year. The first leg down took it from $49 down to $30. Counter trend bounce, no juice on the counter trend bounce. Now what you have on a weekly basis is that it's accelerating up again. The larger A point on this is $49. Your B point is out there at $30, which is $19, and your C point is trading at 40. So that gives you a 21 deal. 21 deal brings you all the way back to May of 2010. It's a huge heads up, folks. That's how that's shaking. That's how that's baking. Some of the high volume stocks that we have out here, let's take a look at them. Today is that you had Bank of America were down 41 cents. You had Micron Tech down 36. Riverbed Technologies, you talk about getting taken apart. That was down 33%. Down $8. It's trading at $19.85 right now. SanDisk Corporation, another one that got taken apart, down 456. Microsoft went topside. What Microsoft did out here, she is going into the swing point, and she didn't have enough juice to get into that and take that swing point out. Microsoft traded to $32.89. The high out there was $32.95. We had volume of 65 million up there. Now, she is pushing that high with volume. So that's saying that, you know what, she's going to be right back up there. She didn't hold price today. They were selling her when she was up there. But the way that's set up is that is saying that, bottom line, it wants to go up there. There's a question, Apple is up after hours. This is pretty funny. The reason I'm saying it's pretty funny, folks, okay? Apple, there's late trades coming across. Apple is toast. Get the jelly out. Get the peanut butter out, okay? Bottom line is that Apple is broke the B point, broke it with volume, and you know, if you're interested in going after Apple, wait for a lot lower price, because it's going downtown. It's going downtown big. See, what you have with Apple is this. I was talking about this actually this morning, and this is what it is. This is a classic, meaning that how an equity comes off a high. It comes off the high with conviction at that 644. Flat, goes all the way down to the 571. The normal bounce on Apple was 622. 626. It went to 622. Yeah, and then get taken apart again. You know, so what you have, and that's after, by the way, folks, that the acceleration up in Apple was incredible. I mean, you know, if people didn't take money, well, you know what, you know, things don't go to the moon and they don't go to hell. You know, on a weekly basis, what you have with Apple now is that you've come down with 174 million versus 169. You know, it's broken its uptrend. That's the bottom line. And just a normal retracement. See, the deal with Apple, a normal retracement when a stock has run from $366 up to $639. Well, a normal retracement brings it all the way down to 500. But what you also have in Apple is what? Is that you get a monster gap that's opened at 425. So, bottom line, if you're in Apple, folks, and you're not taking their money, put a stop in, you know, because the bottom line is that, you know, there's no reason to give all that money back. There's no two ways about it. We go take a look at some of the Dow stocks. This is what we have out here. You have IBM. That's another ABC structure on the way down. Broke the B, broke it with volume. 3M was up 68 cents today. Procter Gamble was up 94. Let's go over to Procter Gamble. We'll take a look at Procter Gamble. Okay, so, yeah, this is only a counter-trend bounce. Procter Gamble, this is what it had. You had come down. Oh, no, that's not bad. Yeah, well, Procter Gamble's in a consolidation. The top of that consolidation, 67, 68, and the bottom is 65. You know, what you did have, you had a sign of strength on the 16th. That wasn't bad either. Caterpillar, we take a look at Caterpillar. Next week, you talk about, well, every day for the next few weeks, there's going to be a huge amount of earnings that are coming out. Okay, CAT. We take a look at Caterpillar. That's an ABC down, too. This is the first time that in quite a while I have seen so many different ABC structures in the way down in different sectors, folks. And they just fire it off, like ALTR. I mean, if you look at the semiconductors, well, you know, I don't know if it's all the semis. You know, Altera just got taken apart. You talk about getting taken apart. It's pretty amazing. But that's what happens inside of ABC structures. ABC structures, folks, the A to B is a straight line move, and the B to C is a straight line move. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming right back. We had the Dow Industrials up 65, NASDAQ down 7, S&Ps are up 2. We're going to be right back.